Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. We're there back with our next video. You see me? See my title on the video about already. Yeah man. Now stop some Callaloo in the breadfruit here. Nice side breadfruit you pick from yesterday. That means you start ripe already, you see me? Yeah man. Guys, it's the vlog here. The vlog here is inspired by side vlogs because I used to do this. I'm saying yo, idea bad and I'm gonna try it. Yeah man. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna see me do man. So guys, like the video. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this style. I want to know if you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. I want to share the video. People, this easy. When you get the most easy part, it takes hours to create a video. It's because filming take enough time, edit video take enough time, and all you have to do is like the video and share it and subscribe. That it will take 3 seconds. All less than 3 seconds. Just like, subscribe, and share. Yeah man, to the social media. Yeah man. Quick and easy. You see me? Follow Instagram, Jeff876 and Yes Adventures. Link below in the description. Scroll down, click it and give me a follow on 2 page. You see me? So I already know. I'll get the Callaloo ready and all that. So journey with me, guys. See me on the apple tree yet because I just don't consume 2 apples. You see me? Yeah man. Can't do without eating apple. Can't make apple in waste. Nice Callaloo, yeah. But I'm gonna use some. I'm gonna use all this can well and do it fruit. Alright guys, so I'm end up have cut up all this Callaloo. You don't know because Callaloo for dinner also. Yeah. So it's about 2 bungle, probably about 3 bills, Jamaican dollar. If you all who don't like Callaloo, may I put something right now and show you what Callaloo good for. Not everything but everything. Yeah, so get this cut up now. It's already stripped and washed off already. So just time now for cut up. Also guys, here's a Callaloo seed. Good for man. I don't know what it is, but me eat it already. So you can comment below and tell me if you ever hear about that. Me Google it and me can't find nothing way good for, I swear. One thing I see, I will Callaloo itself good for. So comment below and tell me if you hear about that. Alright guys, so everything here, I Callaloo, onion and sweet pepper and all that. So mix it in there, you know. Mix it in, you know guys. So time I put in the cook in the breadfruit. So I deal with that now. Yeah. So guys, I cut it now. You don't want to cut out too much because you want you got this as a top like this. And then now cut it close to the heart because we after we have cut out. Alright guys, so I go in here, you know, coconut my breadfruit heart pick out. Yeah. And this is the top. You should cut go down more because I see the whole night. So go down some more. So time now we stuff it. And guys, you see the bigger the breadfruit be, or the more you can stuff it, right? And you can put a can of nut or whatever you want to stuff it with, right? Yeah, so stuff it on and you see if make breadfruit ripe, don't get the breadfruit with the stem same way, and when breadfruit ripe, you just draw the stem and the heart everything come out with the stem, you see me? So all the way to come out with the stem. So that's a pretty easy way. So yeah, stuff it. Make your breadfruit ripe first. If you draw the stem, draw the stem, everything pluck out. Just stuff it as much as possible. Sure. Okay. Put some butter in it. After you use one only spoon and butter. You don't know the butter melt, just go right down. Let me squeeze it, look much water in a bit in the Callaloo. Yeah. Me soon look. So this is the cover. We can also throw some coconut milk down it, guys, but we're not about now, so to use it we have I'm at the fire now, so come in the fire now and throw in this car. I'm really anxious to taste this. So guys, the fire really get big yet, but can't really whip on that now. See, even the thing I'm putting in the fridge burn out as yet, but my train bread with night same way, see me? Yeah man, if you go and cook. Yeah, so I guess these will give it a bit of smoky flavor to it, isn't it? Put it on it like this, because if when you put the grill in it, the breadfruit maybe couldn't hold the night. So I have a piece of pork bone. I try knife for you see and speed. Oh. I go roast it. Alright. So I'll go on. Alright guys, I end up make a wood fire, which I never want to do, but I end up doing it because the coal so deadly. It barely a blaze, you see me? I'm see bedfruit here. I don't want junk bedfruit. So use bamboo 4-piece and stick it in the bedfruit for long the cap. If me do it this way, I would have finished long time. But so me never want make no wood fire. Where I run from, right night. So I want to do it from beginning. Cause I have finished long time. And at night now, almost 6 o'clock. See me? He put this done long time, you know. About an hour now since I did this, you know. I'm gonna blow it up back, make every stick catch. Big waste of time with that recording. I only dip the pork in it. I go and butter. So when I put that cook, yeah man. Yeah. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to progress. I'm checking back again. That is it guys. Quick and easy. Simple as that. So a soaking time. Not too warm, I can stay up and see like this and same thing. Juice run out. Whoa. let it go and soak. You see me? Quick and fast. If me do this, I'm gonna finish long time. But you must say, boy, we can't bother get too tired about now with the smoke and all that. You see me do the coal. You see? What I never want to do, I have to do it. Because if you never do this, I know before we will roast. But I just say, man, what them did there. Alright, guys, so see beetroot here at night now. After 6, I don't know what time I know. 6:60 now. So the place kinda dark. See? Yeah, man, so this finish now. And if you regret this, so thanks to make it this far, you see me? Really appreciate it. Yeah, man, so I cut this open now and see what I'm going to feed. So I need to get a cocoa leaf or something for hold it. Okay, you know, it's really hot. I'm going to use this beetroot leaf. Yeah, guys, so I go on here. See? Yeah, man. Then I can take out now. See me? Then I can take out. So time to cut this. You guys will see it here. Cut open some of the Callaloo chop out. So I'm taste what I go on. Look at beetroot with stuffed Callaloo. Wow. Pepper. So wicked night, man. Thanks for making this fire, isn't it? Nah, share them with them now, but it's a wicked night, man.